Let's look at the benefits of having clear perimeter drains via hydrojetting services. Hydrojetting is a versatile cleaning process that uses high-pressure water to clear out your drains. It's amazing how a clear pipe can increase the effectiveness of your drainage system. Maximum results are obtained when you schedule a hydrojetting every few years. Clear drains prevent water damage and extend the life of your pipes, keeping your home safe. Though tempting, leave this chore to the professionals who are equipped to do it safely and effectively. Professional hydrojetting services are a great investment in the longevity of your home. With regular hydrojetting, your home will stay healthy and safe for a very long time. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a worry-free home. Visit kcplum.ca or call us today to schedule our hydrojetting service.